This episode is sponsored by Honeybadger. Are you looking to enhance clarity in production without a PhD in observability? Try Honeybadger Insights. Honeybadger Insights is built around structured events and Honeybadger's new query language BadgerQL, which allows you to analyze data, create metrics, and design custom dashboards. All of this is available for free with Honeybadger's monitoring suite, which includes error tracking, uptime monitoring, and more. Explore your data in new ways with BadgerQL. It's pretty cool and simple. So give it a try today at honeybadger.io. That's honeybadger.io. In this episode, we're going to have a look at creating questions. So I just typed out, what is the funniest joke you know? And when we create the question, users are going to be allowed to answer the question. But sometimes, depending on the situation, you may want to have an AI bot also give its input. So whenever you create a question, it'll be answered by an AI bot. And with this approach, you're going to be able to use a third-party AI service like OpenAI, or you're also able to use your own self-hosted service. And generative AI can be a little bit complicated because it's not very truthful at times. And that's just in the nature of how it works. But a lot of this goes into how we design our prompts. So in this episode, we're going to look at creating this automated answer functionality because depending on the situation and the type of questions it's getting asked, it may be able to provide some good input. Or in other situations, you may not want a generative text like you would see in this kind of question and answer format, but you want it in more structured data. So the approach that we're going to take in this episode will allow you to easily modify the prompt and how we structure it so you can tweak it and get the desired results. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftandruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.